If your Ubuntu server gets a different IP address every time it reboots, it can break SSH connection, Docker containers, websites, and other services. In this video, I will show you how to change your Ubuntu server from DHCP to a static IP using Netplans. I am connected to my Ubuntu server using Mobile Xterm. It makes it easy to manage the server and quickly copy and paste commands during the configuration. Let's get started. First, let's check the current IP address. Right now my server is using DHCP, which means the router automatically assigned the IP address. Because of that, the address can change after a reboot. Ubuntu server uses Netplan to manage network configuration. Let's open the configuration file. To keep this video short, I have already prepared the Netplan configuration. I will paste it into the file and then we will go through each settings so you understand what it does. DHCP, false disable DHCP, addresses defines the static IP, drop 24 is the subnet mask, routes specify the default gateway, nameservers defines the DNS servers. Before applying the configuration, make sure the IP address isn't already in use on your network. This helps prevent IP conflicts. Save the file and apply the new configuration with this command. Now let's verify the new IP address. We will also test internet connectivity and DNS resolution with this command. If it doesn't work, check the command mistakes shown on the screen. Your Ubuntu server is now using a static IP address. This is the recommended configuration for servers running SSH, Docker, Nginx, Kubernetes, or any production workload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.